Today is Wednesday, Parashat Matot-Masei. In Parashat Matot, the tribes of Gad and Reuven ask of Moshe to settle in the land which is on the east of the Jordan River, because they had a lot of livestock, sheep and cows, and they needed a place for grazing their animals, and the land on the east of the Jordan had a lot of grazing fields. And that's why they requested it. Of course, they made a commitment that they will join the rest of the tribes into the war that was going to be taking place in the land of Canaan, and they'll take communal responsibility together with the rest of the tribes, even though they'll be settling on the east side of the Jordan. But in the dialogue that ensues between them and Moshe Rabbeinu, we learn a very important lesson about the relative importance of things, about the relative importance of values in life. Where should the priorities be given? When they speak to Moshe Rabbeinu, they say we're going to make enclosures for our livestock and we're going to build cities for our children. When Moshe Rabbeinu answers them, he tells them, build cities for your children and enclosures for your livestock. He reversed the order of how they had made their own statement. Because when they spoke, they obviously gave more importance, in a way, to their material assets, to their livestock, more emphasis on the business. Second came cities for the children, and Moshe Rabbeinu tells them, no, you have it in the wrong order. Number one, cities for your children. Care for your children. Make sure that they're well taken care of. And then in the second spot should be caring for your business, for your assets, for your livestock. And that's just, as a by the way, the parasha teaches us an important lesson in life. The relative importance that we give to things is crucial. What do you give most value for? Is it the education of your children? More important? I mean, there are decisions that have to be made sometimes. Do you pay tuition for a Jewish day school to get good education for your children and of Torah and mitzvot, even if you have to drive a car that is not so expensive? And maybe you have to refrain from certain expenses, maybe less vacations, because education of the children takes precedence. Or do you put more emphasis on your material assets and then save when it comes to the education of children? The relative importance that we assign to things, and that goes in many different areas of life, is crucial in how we lead our affairs. And that's just in that discussion between Moshe Rabbeinu and the tribes of Gad Reuven, just these two pesukim with the order that these things are mentioned, teaches us a huge lesson about leading our lives. Baruch Adonai le'olam, amen ve'amen.